Magic Player is superior in terms of cabling. Hold the CT or L key for smooth wiring, with angles that can be changed at will. This greatly saves wiring time and reduces the workload of engineers. Other products are equipped with crude light programming software. Changing the angle requires filling in the angle data, which makes wiring difficult. This significantly increases the hours of work. Click on the right toolbar to open the background image mode. Add a background image quickly. Press and hold the CT or L key to start a quick drawing. Then you can draw any pattern you want on the wiring software, especially shape patterns. And you can easily hide the background image to check the wiring situation at any time. In the lighting effects screen, many of the effects are placed in the right-hand column, and the presentation of the patterns makes them more intuitive. You can add or remove programs at will, until it's to your satisfaction. LED build and Stadion software in one, reducing software page switching. Reduce page lag due to high volume of lighting cabling work. In other preparation software, effect styles are shown in text. The effects are not intuitive, and it's difficult to present the effects. The software contains a one-click function for setting IDs. Click on Output and you can see the options for grouping and setting host IDs. Click OK to update with one click. Other controllers don't have this kind of online function. They can only be set up in groups of buttons. Once you make a mistake, you have to set it up again, which is time-consuming and labor-intensive. Our software supports both manual and online update modes. Click on the online update SD card. You will see the controllers on the link. You can choose any controller to update. With other controllers, only one card can be copied at a time. If multiple units are copied, the process of copying cards is repeated.